What's up, guys? I'm from Monster back in another video. This is gonna be a monsters video. I'm gonna be exploring a haunted thing that's haunted. It is haunted. Alright.
I've done this at night.
Alright, so. Oh, that's creepy. Hey, we're gonna have to hide from maintenance. Shoot, this is actually scary. So haunted. Oh shoot. What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Alright, this is actually scary as heck. Hey, you guys are gonna be the watch. Nope, don't trust that. I'm gonna go in. Go back in.
Come with me,
Why?
because I stole a plank from that place.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Alright, here I am. So where is it? Oh, it's right there. So, this is actually really.
Prepare your ears, guys.
Wait, alright. Wait, let me get it on this side. Alright.
Prepare your ears. Not much. That was gonna be loud.
Wasn't that loud?
Yeah. Well,
Here's the other one. Here's from the back angle. What she's doing. Here's for what she's doing.
okay.
She gets the wooden plank.
Okay, that was louder, but.
You're gonna go back inside?
Where?
Inside the little haunted thing?
Oh.
Oh, that's so scary.
I'll meet you there.
Those noises. I'll get to you guys when I am there. Alright, so guys. Here we are. This is actually really scary. Here's my friend. Wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
Huh?
Do you have a YouTube channel? Her YouTube channel will be inside the description box below. Most likely. If it's not, I'm sorry. Alright, so I'm sorry, what was that? That's scary.
You.
Well, let's go inside.
Ooh, secrets.
Actually really scary. Like, I don't want to go in here.
I should steal this.
No.
I'm so excited.
So
I'm gonna steal it.
Huh?
I'm gonna steal this piece of plank.
well, make sure to like the video. So let's see about it. And this is actually really scary.
What did they say?
Alright, so there's a giant
I'll
hill.
be back. I'm gonna go steal this plank.
She's not gonna steal it, she's gonna give it back. She's gonna give it back, don't worry. Alright, so guys, I just heard the music stop, so you can see me at that second. The music stopped, and that's actually scary. Those noises, bro. But look at this Jeep. Well, so I'm gonna hide. Let me put this right here so you guys could see. There. You guys could see? No? So, alright guys, let me go home and then get my bake. You know what? I'm just gonna stay here so I can get my small camera. Here, let me put this down. So guys, I found out how to set my camera up because I'm using my small camera. Let me put this right here. It's good footage. Yep. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it recording? Yeah.
Alright, so guys. So I am recording right now. Oh, stop. Stop.
I'll probably steal this too. Later. Wait, let me get my thumbnail. Do this. That's how you do a thumbnail. I got that. I'm doing countdown. That's like a giant snowball. What? Oh yeah. Yeah. I went here earlier. And I like so this looks like a giant cigar. Steal this. I'm gonna steal it.
Alright, what's up, guys? I created a thumbnail, as you guys could have seen
I'm stealing.
here, and if that wasn't the thumbnail, let me make another one so I can get like closer to get another thumbnail.
I'll be right back.
That's good. Well, alright, those are my thumbnails. I'm gonna do it the other way. Shoot, there's maintenance guy. There's maintenance guy. Hello. Oh shoot. Did he see you? Huh? You were running from him?
Huh?
He caught you with things? Yeah.
And then he said, sharp ends.
Holy crap.
Hey, but he doesn't
Gone
know that I
wrong.
stole his pants.
Gone wrong. It's gonna be us at the time.
Hey, it's not that bad. He probably thinks I'm a poor little girl. Dang, I need to dirty this shirt a lot more to look like one.
Well, that was scary.
Not really. I look like I could wear these as pajamas.
Most likely.
Hey, but he doesn't know that. Oh, you said you know how to get in, right?
Yeah. Oh shoot, he's locking it, he's locking it, he's locking it. Oh shoot, guys. Alright, so.
Got wrong.
How about you shut up?
That I stole his wooden plank.
Stop laughing. Alright guys, let me go get her. Let's go get her scooter. And I'll be back after she's gotten her scooter. That was scary. That tunnel was scary. Actually, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe while you're down there, comment down below that you did both of those things, and I will go to your channel and then subscribe to you. And if you guys hit 5 likes, then I will
Watch out.
let's see. I will show I already showed my face. I will show you what apartment number I live in. If he 5 likes and 5 subscribers.
What, you have no subscribers?
I just started.
I have 12.
Is yours about your old
Just
dog?
like my age.
Well, guys, go subscribe to her.